Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of calories burned on this watch. We can track the amount of calories burned in few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So basically if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the watch face and some of them display the calories burned. And to check which ones, you can open the watch face menu. You can scroll through it and look for something that displays the calories burned. For example, this one, if you apply it, it will show you the amount of the calories burned right here. You can also adjust or customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu and tap on the settings icon under them, you can tap, for example, on the function. Come on, then we need to look for the category called activity records and then calories. If you select calories, that will be here applied, and you can press the side button and apply the watch face by tapping on it, and it will show you the calories burned. Another way to check it is to open the activity widget. So if you're on the home screen, swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. Look for this one, and here we have the statistics from today. As you can see, we have steps, calories, and training. You can tap on this widget to open the activity records, and here you can see more detailed information about your calories, steps, and stuff like that. And last way to check it is to do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can always open the Honor Health application, and there you have a bit more detailed information than on the watch. So if we open the Honor Health application on the phone, actually let me reopen it so you can see the home page like this. So on the health page, the home page, you should see the activities and you can see calories right here. You can tap on this widget to open the My Records and then tap on calories, and here we have more detailed information. We have consumption overview, calories goal rather, not gold. We have weekly progression, monthly progression, yearly progression, daily progression, so you can check more information than on your watch. And once you're done, of course, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.